Hi guys, today we are at the American Airlines Flagship Lounge at Chicago O'Hare International Airport, and we had access to this lounge because we were flying with Japan Airlines, or JAL, in business class from Chicago to Tokyo Haneda Airport. And I'm taking a walk around to give you a tour of the lounge. First, you can see here the quiet area, and you can see the lounge was pretty empty on this day, but keep in mind it was 8 o'clock in the morning. If you're flying business class or first class on JAL, you have the option to use American's Flagship Lounge or the Admiral's Club Lounge. And I read some reviews before our flight that preferred the Flagship Lounge, so that's what we chose. Now, headed back towards the other side, this is where you'll find the check-in area, which is at the center of the lounge, and then followed behind there by the food and drinks. And as you're walking through, I just love these little private chair cubbies. If you're traveling solo, I think they're a great area to work or eat and not be disturbed. And first, we're going to take a look at the available drinks. They have self-service stations. There's a variety of wines and champagnes that you can see here. And then past the buffet on the other side, these are different beers. You can just grab and go. A coffee machine where you can make your own lattes, espresso drinks, a tea station, even a full service bar, all types of liquors that you can see here. Pause if you want to check if your favorites are here. Coca-Cola freestyle machine. And then in this other fridge, there's all kinds of non-alcoholic drinks like juices, sodas. At the bottom, you can even see some Red Bull that I know some people love. The food is served a buffet style. It has a good variety. But keep in mind, we're here at breakfast time. You can pause to take a look at the menu options. Later on in the day, I'm sure there are different options for you. We had parfaits, fruits, cold meat and cheeses, smoked salmon, and even some sushi. And on the end here, you can see there's a miso soup option and an oatmeal option, depending what you prefer. Keep in mind, all the food and drinks in the lounge are complimentary once you enter. And then on the other side of the buffet, they had the hot Western style breakfast where they were offering eggs, bacon, pancakes, sausage, potatoes, which you can then take over to a dining table to eat or back to wherever you are in the lounge. That's it for this tour. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys don't mind, comment below and tell me what is your favorite lounge, because I'd love to check it out next. And I love to hear from my fellow travelers and lounge goers what their favorites are around the world. Thanks, guys. Bye.